Every football tells a story, but before it reaches the world's biggest tomb through one of the most advanced manufacturing processes ever created. Every world-class football begins with carefully selected materials, long before the first panel is ever cut. Every material is inspected.
Check the thickness on this batch
to ensure consistent quality before production begins.
Flexibility looks good.
Precision foam layers give every football its balance, touch, and durability. The inner bladder forms the heart of every professional football. Once approved, every component is carefully stored before entering production. With every material prepared, the journey toward a world-class football officially begins. Every professional football begins with perfectly calculated panel geometry.
Computer-controlled precision ensures every panel is exactly identical.
Every printed detail must remain sharp throughout years of play. The foam layer gives every football its soft touch and controlled performance.
Only flawless panels are allowed to continue through production.
With every panel prepared, the football is finally ready to take shape. Every precise stitch strengthens the structure that players rely on every match. Panel by panel, the iconic football begins to take its legendary shape. Hidden beneath every panel lies the heart that gives the football perfect control. The final stitch transforms craftsmanship into a professional football. Controlled inflation reveals the true balance of every professional football. Only after passing rigorous testing can a football earn its place on the field. Every professional football must hold perfect air pressure before it earns the next test. Perfect balance and consistent rebound separate professional footballs from ordinary ones. Only flawless footballs move forward to become match-ready products. Every finished football receives one final touch before leaving the factory. Automation protects every football before its journey around the world begins. From this factory floor, thousands of footballs begin their journey to players across the world. Every shipment begins a journey that will reach players across the world. Modern logistics delivers millions of footballs to every corner of the globe. From raw materials to the world's biggest stages, every football carries the craftsmanship of its journey.